In fall of 2018, Yamaha introduced their three-wheel concept, the NIKEN. Initial production quantities of that sold out quickly, but now Yamaha has introduced this, the NIKEN GT, and it's shipping to dealers as we speak. The GT package is aimed to give riders a touring-ready model with a focus on comfort and convenience. We have this demo model here on site for customers to be able to stop in, take it for a ride, and experience Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel concept on their own. Today we're going to take a look at some of the lesser known features on this unique motorcycle and talk about the differences between this, the GT model, and the standard NIKEN. The NIKEN lineup comes standard with a host of rider aids, the first of which being Yamaha's D Mode variable throttle system. This gives the rider 3 different throttle profiles to choose from to change up throttle response based on prevailing conditions. The system also allows for the integration of a cruise control. A unique feature we've discovered on the NIKEN GT is a kind of launch assist functionality. This allows the system to call for throttle as the clutch is released without additional rider input. This would help mitigate stalls and also help in situations such as a hill start or when you're creeping slowly with traffic. Another feature standard on the NIKEN GT is Yamaha's quick shift system. This allows the rider to initiate a clutchless upshift without releasing the throttle. The system will momentarily drop engine power to allow the selection of the next gear without the rider using the clutch handle. All NIKENs do come standard with a traction control system that gives you 2 levels of sensitivity plus a full off function. Lastly, all NIKENs come with an ABS system, anti-lock brakes. This allows for independent control of both the front and the rear wheels to maximize stopping capability and vehicle stability in all weather conditions. For more comfort and convenience, the NIKEN GT comes with a collection of added and improved features. Up front, we have a taller, wider windscreen that provides additional wind protection for both the rider and the passenger. Heated grips are also standard on this model, with the controls integrated into the existing switchgear and the digital display. Both the rider and the passenger seat do give you a plusher feel for better long ride comfort, and both the rider and passenger are afforded each a 12-volt outlet. Lastly, to make storage and maintenance a little bit easier, the NIKEN GT comes standard with a center stand. The NIKEN GT offers additional storage with a set of Yamaha rigid soft bags. These bags can be easily removed in 2 different ways. First of which allows you to just remove the bag itself and carry it away as luggage. You remove it by simply opening the bag, unlocking this interior knob. This then allows you to detach the bag by depressing the exterior latch and lifting the bag away. If you plan on running your NIKEN without the bags and you also want to delete the mounts that are on the side here, you can quickly remove those in 2 easy steps. You have a locked pin here that once unlocked, you simply rotate, pops out, releases the bottom, and then you have a pin up top, pull down, slide your case mount back, and that's it. Saddlebags include a set of rain covers that provide additional all-weather protection. Each bag also includes its own combination lock for additional security. Lastly, the NIKEN comes standard with this passenger handhold, which is ready to accept Yamaha's top mount case. We hope to bring you additional real-life feedback on this model once we've had a chance to get the NIKEN GT out and put in additional seat time. If you are local and would like to schedule a test ride, visit our website via the link below. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. This has been Ernie with Miller's Motorsports. Thank you for watching.